What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to Ben Travels TV. And coming up next, we're in Tampa, Florida, and we head to the historic Ybor City. We're going to check out the City Visitor Information Center and Chamber of Commerce. You guys got to stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. All right, we are in Tampa, but today we're going to spend time in Ybor City, and we have done plenty of videos. I'll leave the links in the description. We're going to continue our tour here for about 4 or 5 videos. The previous video, we were at J.C. Newman Cigar Factory, giving you guys a history of the cigar industry. This is Cigar City. This was the cigar capital of the world. All right, so we're in Centro Ybor here. All right, so we're headed to the Ybor City Chamber of Commerce Visitor Information Center and Gift Shop. I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play, and I'll check back with you guys in a little bit for more history.
And then we have a 7-minute movie here on the history of Ybor in the back.
Okay. Great, thank you.
Hello, how are you?
Let me know if I can help anyone.
All right, so the Chamber's Visitors Information Center at Centro Ybor is a resource for everything Ybor. It's housed along with the Ybor City Cigar Museum in the world's largest cigar box and provides information about Ybor attractions, Ybor history, and other fun places to visit in the Tampa Bay area. Many people, including the general public, out-of-town visitors, and even the media, rely on the chamber as a source for information and referrals. So they also have a replica of the cigar roller's chair as you view the 10-minute video on the stories of Ybor and learn about the Ybor City National Historic Landmark District, which we will watch in a minute. If you're looking for a gift to send home while you're visiting, you'll see tons of stuff here in the gift shop and lots of memorabilia
That we enjoy in Ybor to this day. Dick Reckler.
Thanks, Bob. It's wonderful to see Ybor City become vibrant again after so many years of decline. It's a real testament to all the immigrants and industry that made this possible one day, many years ago, and are reviving it again today. What better person to tell you about the story of Ybor than another native son, renowned speaker, author, artist, Dr. Freddie Pacheco.
Hello. For decades, I've used my paintings and books to evoke the spirit of Ybor City for those generations who weren't lucky enough to be around for its golden era. And now it's my pleasure to tell you the story of that rare American neighborhood, one like none other. Sunday afternoon, 1900. Just a few feet from where you are now standing, the Spaniards have come for their weekly ritual. They're in their Sunday finest, and they're not alone. Nearby, the Cubans, Sicilians, Italians, Germans are in their clubs. Cigar workers, factory owners, shopkeepers, farmers, they've all come to dance, to remember the old world, while they celebrate their new world, Ybor City. 15 years earlier, Tampa had been a swampy backwater, population 700. Alligators and mosquitoes were about the only creatures that thrived here, but the town had a port.
Ybor's residents experienced an equality few had ever dreamed could exist. Workers also received womb-to-tomb health care in the club's state-of-the-art clinic or hospital.
All right, so there are tons of vintage items, old cigar boxes. You'll see vintage maps. And when you come here, you'll also see you'll find information about the other museums throughout Ybor. If you want to learn more about the history in Ybor, you want to get a scenic tour, you want some, like I said earlier, old memorabilia, it's all here. All right, and if you just want some gifts, you want some souvenirs, it's here as well. Now, you guys stay with me because I'm going to drop, like I said earlier in the video, about 4 or 5 videos here. I will give a full history and background on Ybor City while I go on foot to many of the various popular places here in Ybor City, and you guys will get to know all about the history. All right, so this is just the start. I just wanted to show you guys this, especially if you're a visitor and you've never been to Tampa. As you can see here, they have all the different maps, all the different tour guides that you can use, and all the pretty much all the important information that you may want when you're coming from out of town and you don't know anything about Tampa. This is a great source for information and help. All right, they have people here who are very well versed in Ybor City. They don't just work there, they know all about travel and information throughout the Tampa Bay area. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna let the video play until the end. You got about 7 more minutes left in this video, and I will see you guys on the next one when we head over to the official Ybor City Museum. All right, and that's gonna be at Centennial Park. You guys are gonna love that video as well. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm out.